Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel viewers. In front of me MOTOROLA Moto G73, and now I'm gonna show you how to improve battery life on this device. So firstly, let's start with disabling all unnecessary features. So, for example, as you can see here, I have my control panel, so you need to open it too. And let's start. If you are not using mobile data right now, but using Wi-Fi, disable mobile data, and vice versa. If you are not using Bluetooth right now, just disable it. If you are not using nearby share, disable it. Hotspot, disable if you don't use it. If you don't need NFC right now, disable it. Location services you need to disable too. So why we need to disable unnecessary and unused in this moment features? Because all of these services is constantly searching for their networks. For example, Wi-Fi, constantly searching for Wi-Fi nearby signals. Mobile data, constantly searching for 5G and 4G network. Bluetooth, always search nearby Bluetooth devices such as smart bands, smartwatches, Bluetooth headphones. So if Bluetooth is enabled, it's constantly searching for devices. Nearby share, constantly searching for nearby Android devices. And if you have enabled nearby share, you are always visible for every device, so it drain your battery too. So hotspot, of course, if hotspot is enabled, you are losing a lot of battery power because it consumes a lot of battery power. And NFC and location too. So NFC, if NFC is enabled, electricity is constantly pending to NFC module, and location constantly searching for GPRS and GLONASS services. Okay, then open settings, and as you know, here we have LCD display. If you want to check have you LCD display or no, you can just press on your screen, and if you will see dark areas when you pressing on your screen, it means that you have LCD, not LED. So any Motorola G73 device has LCD display. You cannot try to check it, because in this way you can damage your screen, so not try it. Okay, and of course, if you will enable dark theme, it will not help you to improve your battery life, because this method works only with with LED screen, when your screen is created from thousands of mini LED lamps. So you don't need to enable dark mode, but you need to reduce your screen brightness, because screen really drain your battery. So scroll down, open battery here, and scroll down again, and here as you can see we have battery saver mode. So open it and click enable, click turn on, and great, battery saver was successfully enabled. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.